good morning sa mga leaders natin yung local at international. And videos na naman, meron tayong neighbors package worth of 18,999 pesos. Guys, grabe. Yan. Dating nasa messenger lang, online. Ngayon, grabe guys, part na ng ating community. Yan sa mga madadaanan ng video natin dyan. Ayan, may purpose. Siguro may dahilan kaya grab the opportunity para maging part ka ng aming community. Yan guys, ito yung laman ng neighbors package natin worth of 18,999. Yan, 3 to 5 days makakarating na ito sa family mo. Yan, digital leaders. Yan, from Team International. Ito yung laman. Yan, congratulations. Yan. Gawin na natin at bibili natin ito sa office yung neighbors package. Ayan, thank you and PM ka lang kung mapanood mo yung video na to para makapag-start ka na rin sa negosyo. God bless! Yan guys, good morning. Yan, ito guys ang laman ng neighbors package natin. Meron tayong iGlow 24/7. Yan, grabe guys, napakaganda yan at may white light. Meron pa tayo guys ng Zero C Supreme. Yan, may perfect white. Meron din tayong Restore Light. Yan, power visualizing. Ito naman guys yung toothpaste. Ayan ba yung toothpaste.
Kahapon.
Dalawa ba?